Amazing PPT trick. Insert a picture on the slide, right click, choose cut option, go to format background, click on picture fill and select clipboard. You will observe the picture on the slide. Write title, give appropriate font size and color according to your requirement. Click on align center, duplicate the slide, zoom out the slide and drag the title to the extreme right side. Place a rectangle on the right end of the slide, remove its outline. Now go to format shape and click on slide background fill. Go to shadow effect, select offset left from the outer preset, increase the size to 103%, blur 6 points and distance 5 points. Duplicate the rectangle 3 more times and place one after the other. Click on the second rectangle, right click and send to back. Repeat the same for third and fourth rectangle. Now write number 1, give it white color, go to text options and click preset shadow. Select offset right, adjust the size to 102%, blur 4 points. Now go to reflection, select tight reflection. Now draw a small rectangle on number 1, remove the outline and select slide background fill from the format shape. Select small rectangle and the number together, press Ctrl D to duplicate. Place it on the second rectangle. Now repeat the process 2 more times. Change the number to 2, 3 and 4. Now type the desired content. Select the outer rectangle, number and the content together. Press Ctrl G to group it. Repeat the same process for the other 3 numbers. Select the slide all together. Press Ctrl C to copy. Go to first slide and press Ctrl V to paste. Go to shape format, click on align and select align left. Drag these numbers to extreme left side of the slide. Go to second slide, click on transition, choose morph and that's it. The PowerPoint presentation is ready. Hope you like this kind of transition effect in PowerPoint. Do share the PPT ahead and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.